come with us? We're kind of a package deal.
Oh, that's kind of a bad idea. Our home world's atmosphere is, poisonous to his kind.
Well, I better write him a note.
Destiny calls!
Jake? Who are you, anyway?
My name is Ward Ampersand. I'm your alien biodad. Hey,
Why do you keep laughing?
I'm nervous. Welcome to your home